Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? Hope you will be doing great. Now I am going to deliver the lecture for class 3. It's unit number 10. The name of the unit is The Railway Journey. Let me narrate you the story beforehand and then we'll be moving towards the activity of the unit. As the story name indicates, the railway journey, it's about the journey in railway. Dो friends हैं, there are two friends, their names have been described in the unit. Names are Sahir and Razi. Where are they going? They are going Lahore to meet their friend Muiz. The name of their friends is Muiz. Now what happens, they are friends as well. The families of both the boys, it came to the railway station and they are seeing off them for the departure. Now what happens, their sister, she advised them that please be aware during the journey so that you may not lose anything or some pickpockets may not face you, confront you during that. Okay, they takes all the advices and finally the train departs. Now what happens? During the journey they face many incidents. One of the incidents is that at night when they both were sleeping in the compartment on a bunk. Now what is a bunk? These are little beds, they have been attached in the compartments of every train to sleep or to rest during the journey. What happens when Sahir is lying on the bunk, through the window a hand come inside and what happens, Sahir feels it on his pocket. Suddenly when he wakes up he sees a man who was standing outside the window and what he was trying to do, he was trying to pickpocket him. He grabs a hand but is not able to grab him completely because he was out of the window and he was inside. He runs outside the train and he screams, thief, thief, please help me, grab him so that I may take my money back. Razi is left in the train, Sahir is behind the thief. Finally people come up with the thief and he gets the money back. Now the station master is there and Sahir, he gets very depressed. Okay, I would have left the train may be departed and I am left here, what to do next? The station master, he consoles him that don't worry, the train has not left yet. When he gets back to the train, Razi tells him that I had pulled the chain of the train to stop it, so don't worry, I am still here. And finally, after all the advices, both of them, they finally leaves to the Lahore and finally meet their friend Muiz. So it was about that how we should be aware of everything during our journeys, whether they are railway journeys or plane journeys. जब भी हम कहीं जाएं तो हमें हमेशा केयरफुल रहना चाहिए कि हम किन लोगों के साथ बैठे हैं और अपनी आंखें हमेशा खोल के रखनी चाहिए. This was the story. Now we will be moving towards the activity. First thing that is on your notes as well, word sentences. Let me tell you the words, their meanings and then sentences. First word is foolish. Foolish means bevkoof. He is a foolish boy. You can make any sentence yourself. This is so easy word. Then compartment. Train की bogie. They boarded the compartment of train. वो train की bogie पर चढ़े. Advice, नसीहत. This is a noun. तो जब भी advice noun आएगा तो हम हमेशा piece of advice use करते हैं. He gave me a piece of advice. उसने मुझे नसीहत दी. Screech, चिल्लाना. Scream इसके सिनोनिम से आ सकता है. Ali screeched at her. Ali उस पर चिल्लाया. Next word is towards. Towards shows the direction, की तरफ. He went towards the school. वो school की तरफ गया. Last word in the word sentences is shout. Shout means again चिल्लाना, screech, scream. He shouted at me. वो मुझ पर चिल्लाया. Next part is words meanings. First word is foolish. I have already told क्या मतलब है इसका, बेवकूफ. Compartment, bogie. Advice, नसीहत. Climbed up, चढ़ना. Disappear, गायब होना. Vanish इसके सिनोनिम से आ जाएगा. Darkness, तारीकी. That's all for today, dear students. Thank you.